What's going on, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, Merry Christmas. Oh, I'm so tired. So we just, as you guys just saw, we just pushed this car inside here. Got the Type R right there. Got the other hatchback right here. No, but look what happened. Look what happened. So listen to this. So it doesn't start. I mean, it does start, but it's just struggling to keep going. It keeps choking. So I already got the part. I bought it. You know, we already diagnosed it. We're mechanics out here. Yes, sir. We're gonna replace the Evap canister. Shouldn't take too long, hopefully. It doesn't look like it's a big job, but we'll see. Alright, so we got it up. We got the jack up. We're gonna replace this thing right here. The canister. It don't look too bad, so there's a bolt right there. Another bolt right there. I think that's it. It don't look too hard. Oh. Okay, so we got all these hoses out. This was the main struggle. So when you take this out, you gotta take the hose out of here. I just broke the connector. I'm not gonna reuse it. I have a new one. I took all the hoses. Just gotta take these bolts out. Alright guys, we got Bob the Builder here. I already took this one on. Just put the new one on, and then we should be good. This is what this looks like without it. So we have to just connect this, put the hose here, I mean the line, the little hose there, and then just bolt it on. And so we got the new one on after 10 minutes, 20 minutes. But everything's connected. Let's see if the car starts now. Yes. We're just gonna disconnect the battery. Disconnect the battery so we can reset the codes, and we're good. The other way, Goofy. Okay, that's a 10. These young people, they don't listen to the OGs, man. I'm trying to teach them how to be a mechanic. Okay. That's it. Wrapping screws. Leave it like that for a few seconds, like a minute. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see if it starts. Yes sir. No check engine light, nothing. Mechanics, bro, mechanics. Alright guys, so it's your boy the mechanic. We fixed it. If you guys need help, assistance fixing cars, I got you. Now I'm gonna go get some gas on it. I don't think it has gas. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Next one's gonna be a review on the Type R. But for today, that's it, buddies. Test drive. Gotta make sure the car works. Look at this, whipping the Pontiac. Yes, sir. Hey, if you guys ever need help, hit me up. I'm a mechanic. I am low-key though. Mira, se escapó un husky.
¿Y lo vamos a pick up?
Let me.
I thought I started recording.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, guys. We had an incident. Sí, son todos los pinches huskies.
Ya viene Tolín.
Tienen que apurar. Que...
Ah, todo eso, no.